Technology has contributed to humanity's advancement in various ways. Since ancient times, every revolutionary discovery has helped establish a new standard and eliminated the need for an older one. So here we are today with the most futuristic gadgets that you can purchase right now. But before we move further, make sure to hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel Worldwide Tech. The Cyclops Sunglasses. These can be your go-to glasses if you're running and biking. They're so perfectly fitted that you'll never have to worry about them sliding down your nose, and you don't even have a typical nose piece like most sunglasses that get trapped in your hair if you put them on your head. A pleasant airflow for ventilation is combined with an all-round bug, wind, and dust protection. No one would know if you want to wear them as a stylish hairband. You can also purchase 2 pairs and want to buy a couple more colors shortly. You're going to adore these. The Belkin Wireless Magnetic Charger. Cheaper and more durable than the MagSafe puck for iPhones made by Apple. If you know an individual who owns an iPhone 13 or 14, they may have heard of an excellent way to charge their devices using magnets wirelessly. Suppose you're looking for a charger or portable battery that connects quickly. In that case, Apple's MagSafe specification may continue to be underbaked and expensive, but other companies have a ton of magnetic adapters that cost less. A fantastic example is the Belkin Magnetic Wireless Charger, which has a cable of 6.6 feet long as opposed to 3.3 feet of Apple's MagSafe puck. Even while the 7.5 watt limit means it won't charge as quickly, the long cable makes it more useful as a bedtime charger because it provides enough slack to use your phone while connected. The best part is it's now on sale for $13.99 on Amazon with a 20 watt USB-C power adapter. 10,000 mAh Anker PowerCore power supply. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 is another fantastic, pocket-friendly power bank if the palm-sized portable chargers have whetted your appetite for fascinating technology. Still, you're looking for something with a little bit more juice. Despite being slightly larger in length and breadth than a credit card, the PowerCore's 10,000 mAh battery can recharge your iPhone several times over. Like other Anker power banks, this one features Power IQ and voltage boost technology from the company, which optimizes charging speed for various devices. No need to wait for your electronics to recharge. On Amazon, this handy charger costs less than $30. Japanese-style desk mat for KBD fans. A smooth desk mat with a modern, minimalist design. Inexpensive and rugged to give things, fancy keyboards and mice are also incredibly personal. On the other hand, a desk mat that is fashionable and reasonably priced makes a fantastic gift. The $15 KBD Fans Japanese-style desk mat is available in several different patterns, though black and grey is undoubtedly the most versatile color. Get a mechanical keyboard enthusiast in your life who still needs to start using a desk mat and start with something stylish that won't break the bank or necessitate a long wait for a group purchase. Can you imagine a robot being more valued than you? This gentle reminder is to like and share the video and subscribe to Worldwide Tech. Tester for custom mechanical switches. Get someone interested in mechanical keyboards or state a growing appetite. You may be promoting irresponsible behavior but just fostering a pleasant hobby. Dipping your toe into the water with an automatic switch tester is a good idea to discover what you might be missing. Spending money on a full mechanical keyboard, test switches, and see how they work using dummy boards. The Loop Neck Pillow. What might the future of neck travel pillows look like? The Loop Neck Pillow is the best neck pillow for a long trip. It lets you do away with the conventional travel neck pillows, including memory foam, microbead, and inflatable models. You can say goodbye to unpleasant neck pillows that are neither rigid nor appropriately conformed to the curvature of your neck when you use the Loop Neck Pillow. You can personalize and create the shape of your neck pillow using Loop Neck Pillow. Here's a quick list of features that it provides. Better spinal support that enables complete relaxation thanks to pressure-sensitive memory foam. Improved chin support that maintains your chin upright when sitting straight. It is simple to customize into any shape because of the infinitely configurable shapes. Its temperature can be changed with just one flip. The cushions may accommodate numerous journeys, and it is simple to transport cleanly wherever you go. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. As you go through a list of the coolest electronic gadgets, you'll start to see a pattern here. Here, robots frequently appear, and the iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus is useful. Since when are robots supposed to perform duties for us and simplify our lives? In iRobot's lengthy history, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is the first robot suction to vacuum and mop simultaneously. We all know that 2-in-1 combos have been around for a while. Although iRobot is only releasing its first model, it is already in front of the curve. This is thanks to careful planning that went into its creation. Compared to carrying out the two tasks separately, it can vacuum and mop simultaneously, which is really cool. B&D Floating Plant Pot. Succulents, air bonsai, and air plants may all be grown in the B&D Floating Plant Pot, levitating planter for desk, office, and home decor. A thoughtfully made floating in the air plant holder pot is sure to attract the attention of any individual who arrives in the room. This magnetized planter for aquatic vegetation will have the same impact as no other ornament. The best levitating farmer available is used for bonsai trees, succulents, air plants, and various small plants. They will develop healthy and strongly when dangling in the air. Use a fake plant as a low-maintenance choice. Thanks to their innovative design, their creative floating plant pots will quietly float the plants of your choice up to 300 grams. Maintain a uniform distribution of weight to guarantee a smooth rotation. The Moorbot Scout. Robot camera novelty supports two-way audio, and Scout enables you to monitor from a distance with no blind spots. The video robot automatically docks to the battery and maintains a which was before course of 24-hour surveillance. It's enjoyable. Let the robot see it for you while operating your smartphone's omnidirectional 4-wheel drive. It follows both people and animals. Learning and creating will be aided. Use beginner-level graphical scratch programming to unleash your creativity. Also, using free software ROS, Scout is a competitive robotics system. Individuals can create extension tools using 3D printing and transform them into the track form for easier navigation. Make your home smart. Alexa, Google Home, and Siri voice control are supported for this home safety robot. Here were some of the futuristic gadgets that you could come to expect. Do comment down below your favorite device from this list. Also, don't forget to like and share the video, and remember to subscribe to Worldwide Tech. Thank you for joining us, and we'll be back with another video very soon, but until then, goodbye.